How to hide chat on Twitch app mobile. So, the first step is to open your Twitch app and then click on this message icon or message button found on the uppermost part of your screen. And then you should wait for it to load and choose the chat that you want to hide. For example, I will choose this one. Once you're right here, what you're going to do is to click on this setting icon found on the upper right of your screen. Click on that setting icon and then click on hide, which is the third option. Click on hide once again, and then there you go. Your chat now has been hidden. If you don't have this um, feature yet, then make sure to update your Twitch mobile app first and then do the steps that I've provided. So that's it. That's how you can hide chat on Twitch app mobile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.